Let me ask you something. How many productivity tools have you tried in the last 5 years? Notion, Todoist, Trello, ClickUp, Obsidian, another note app, another calendar system, another workflow. And after all of that, are you actually building something real? Or are you just organizing your potential? Because here's the uncomfortable truth. You don't need more tools. You need infrastructure. We live in the golden age of productivity software. Everything is beautifully designed. Everything syncs across devices. Everything promises clarity. But most people aren't building anything meaningful. They're rearranging dashboards, redesigning templates, migrating systems, watching tutorials about systems. They are managing the idea of work instead of doing work that compounds. Tools feel powerful because they give you movement, but movement is not momentum. You can reorganize your life for 10 years and still own nothing. Here's something most people never think about. Your notes? Stored on someone else's server. Your tasks? Someone else's server. Your business email? Someone else's infrastructure. Your audience? A platform you don't control. You are renting your digital existence. Now, there's nothing wrong with using tools. But when everything you build lives inside someone else's ecosystem, you don't own leverage. You own convenience. And convenience doesn't compound. Ownership does. There are two types of people online. Tool users, infrastructure builders. Tool users optimize workflows. Infrastructure builders create foundations. Tool users ask, what app should I use? Infrastructure builders ask, what do I own? Tool users customize templates. Infrastructure builders control distribution. Apps rise and fall. Platforms change policies. Features get deprecated. Accounts get banned. Infrastructure is foundational. Domain, server, email system, database, distribution channel. This is the base layer. Without it, you're decorating a rented apartment. Infrastructure changes everything. First, it gives you control. Your own domain means your identity isn't tied to a platform. Your own email means your relationships don't depend on an algorithm. Your own hosting means your content doesn't disappear because a company pivoted. Second, it creates permanence. A tweet is temporary. A platform account is temporary. But a domain you renew every year becomes an asset. Third, it compounds. A website built today can rank in 3 years. An email list built today can generate income in 5. A back-end system built today can scale without asking permission. That's leverage. And this isn't just technical. It's psychological. The moment you buy your own domain, something shifts. You stop thinking like a user. You start thinking like a builder. When you deploy something to your own server, you stop consuming endless tutorials. You start shipping. Infrastructure forces responsibility. Responsibility creates growth. Tools reduce friction. Infrastructure increases ownership. And ownership transforms identity. Not everyone needs a VPS tomorrow. But you need infrastructure the moment. You want to publish consistently. You want an audience. You want digital income. You want long-term leverage. You want independence from platforms. If you're serious about building anything online, a portfolio, a newsletter, a SaaS, a knowledge base, a brand, infrastructure is not optional. It's foundational. Here's the trap. Tools are addictive because they feel productive. Infrastructure is uncomfortable because it feels real. Setting up a server is harder than choosing a template. Buying a domain is scarier than opening a new account. Publishing under your own name is more vulnerable than hiding inside an app. But real builders choose discomfort over aesthetics. Because infrastructure forces skin in the game. This is not about becoming a sysadmin. This is about thinking differently. It's about asking, do I own the base layer of what I'm building? Or am I just rearranging productivity apps? The most dangerous illusion of modern work is thinking you're building something when you're only configuring tools. Everyone thinks the upgrade is a better app, a better template, a better workflow, a better dashboard. The real upgrade is this: from organizing to owning, from consuming to building, from using tools to controlling infrastructure. Tools make you efficient. Infrastructure makes you independent. And independence is what compounds. You don't need another tool. You need a foundation. Stop collecting tools. Start building something you actually own. This is signal over noise.